Have I answered the question of why I need you? When you bring a deal to me and I keep lending money or partnering with that person, you will get paid every time I partner with them on a new deal. Every time they borrow money from me, you get paid again. There is 3 types of money. There's the today money. I need money fast. Okay. There's the tomorrow money, slower but bigger. Like you're going to get equity into a deal, whatever. And then there's forever money, right? I can't believe I can quit all my jobs. I can do all of that kind of stuff. Okay. Where do you feel like you need to be sitting right now? Do you feel like you need to be sitting in today money? You're okay with tomorrow money, or you want to be shooting for forever money right now, where you are today, not where you want to be, but where are you today? Are you quick money? Identify yourself. So you want the today money. I'm going to show you where to find the today money. The forever money, that's the big stuff that I teach my Gators a lot, but this takes a little bit more time to learn. The 6 to 12 month stuff takes longer to learn. So what I'm about to show you on this software, we are going to find people that are wholesaling. And people that are wholesaling typically pay out in 5 to 10 days. So you can make an average on a 5 to 10 day wholesale relationship anywhere between $2,000 to $20,000 on a typical deal in 5 to 10 days. Okay. Introduce them to the team. I fund a wholesaler's deal. It's 5 to 10 days. Okay. Then you've got people that are fix and flippers, right? Fix and flippers are usually, you can have some 5 to 10 day payouts. Okay. These are 10 to 20K, or you could have some 6-month payouts that are like 300K. Or 400K. I've got a couple of case studies we'll walk through today in just a couple of minutes, but I want to show you guys where we find these people. Is that the number one thing you guys want me to show you right now, is show you how easy it is to find these people? Give me a yes if it is. Okay, cool. So what I'm about to show you is today and tomorrow money. Can I get a yes? We understand we're showing you today and tomorrow money. And where do I find these people? The way this software pulls this information and why I can find these people that need money. Remember, mobile home park, how much for today money is needed typically? It's like $5,000 to $10,000. This lady, she's out there calling people, right? And she's doing all this stuff. I know how to find these people with this software. Pretty freaking simple. All you have to do is introduce these people to my team and we will fund those deals for you and we will bring you in 50-50 on your first deal, which is awesome. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you these people. The way we find these people is through public record, like permits and other loan documents. So I can see who else is borrowing money and who needs money. Did you guys know I can pull permits and loan documents? I can see what money people are borrowing in the United States. Okay, so James says the assessor webpage. Yep. Okay, Barry says, if you can use software, why do you need us? By the way, that's a newbie question of like, why do you need me? And I know you weren't saying it that way, but that's the way that mindset feels to me. Guys, if you're going to build a relationship with somebody that needs money, should I be hitting them up with AI and virtual assistants in the Philippines? Or should I be having human beings in their backyard actually building a relationship with them? You tell me. Have I answered the question of why I need you? It doesn't need to be face-to-face, but people need to know that you're real. And they need to know that you're a real human being and you actually care about them, because these are relationships that when you bring a deal to me and I keep lending money or partnering with that person, you will get paid every time I partner with them on a new deal. Every time. Okay. So if you bring me somebody and we loan money or partner with them, every time they borrow money from me, you get paid again. Here's some software. I give my students access to the software for about 3 months, which is 60 days longer than they need. But I can go in here and I can just go, let's find investors. So we're going to find all the people in Las Vegas that need, and by the way, this is only pulling a very small part of Las Vegas. I could probably just pull the whole county, but let's just pull that little area. There you go. So 4,657 people. Look at that. 4,657 people are doing 80 flips a year, 60 flips a year. This guy, Landon B. Buckle, did 60 flips last year, made $11 million. And by the way, all of these people that I'm pulling all their data, these are people that are borrowing money to do these projects. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to see all their projects. Look at all these people that are borrowing money to do projects. Every single one of these people, 4,657 people are borrowing money to do projects just in the last 12 months. Let's go to Kinston, North Carolina. I've never heard of Kinston, so let's go to Kinston. It must be a small city. I've never done a city where I couldn't find people. Okay, Kinston, North Carolina, cool. Small city, has 154 people that are borrowing money. 154 people that are borrowing money in that city every single month, every single year. 154 people are using other people's capital to do projects. Are there enough deals in your city? Yes or no? Let's go to Houston, Texas. You're going to be blown away by how many people are in Houston. It's kind of crazy. Modesto, California. I'll show you Modesto. So people think that you can't find data on Texas. People go, oh, you can't get data on Texas. Texas is a private state. No, that's incorrect. My software, I own this software. We built this literally for our students to be able to bring deals to us. 10,847 people are doing projects every single year that borrow money. Okay, so let's go to the smaller ones. Let's go to the people that are doing like 10 projects, 3 projects, 7 projects a year. Okay, you'll start seeing people's personal names. Okay, Albinson Investment Trust, Quality Property Solutions, okay, Riverwalk, Casas, Quest Trust, Weekly Homes. All of these companies are doing 25, 30, 40 projects every single year. Okay, you start getting smaller, you start going down this list, you can see them, how many projects they're doing. Flips, it just means that they bought it and sold it that same year. Is there a limitation of projects? What if all of us, literally all of us, only worked Houston? What if we all just worked Houston? Is there enough for all of us to work just Houston? Yes, guys, like you guys, oh, show me my city. Guys, you can do this anywhere in the world to any city in the United States. It does not matter. So let's go to another city. What do you guys want? Do we understand that we can do this anywhere? Okay, 31 people. Paul McGuire did a flip. Nils Gustav Davidson. I don't know why they called it that, but Dream Homes, Morehouse, okay? Good Neighbor Homes. I've never heard of this city in my entire life. It's a small little sliver right here. Look at how small the city is, and there's still 31 people. Is it only in the United States? Yes, I only fund deals in the United States. I have students in Israel, Zimbabwe. I have students in India. I have students in South America. I have students in Canada, Mexico. I don't care where you live, but I want to fund deals in America. So if you live in Israel, obviously I have students in Israel. Can you do deals with me in America? Yes or no? So we've answered, why do I need you? Where do I find the people? How are you pulling that data? What's the fact and science behind that? And have I covered what you have to do? All you have to do is build a relationship with those people and bring them to me and say, how do we fund your next deal? How can we get in front of your next deal and fund it? You guys understand I'm not a lender. You understand I just come in and bring money to the table and I take chunks of the deal, chunks of the profit, chunks of the equity, chunks of the ownership, chunks of the tax benefits, chunks of the cash flow. I take chunks. This is why I call it Gator, because I want us to go and take chomps.
Oh, crikey.